Health insurance in Silver City, New Mexico. Life does not at all times go smoothly. Lots of times it tosses unforeseen things at you. This will be why it is sound to get a trustworthy insurance agent. There are several options as far as medical insurance out there, and your cost can be a little overwhelming. Just consider how much more scary the costs of medical expenses could be when you don't hold any health insurance whatsoever. It is essential therefore to obtain the top healthcare insurance you could pay for, which could be challenging to find at times. What type of medical insurance do you need to look for through a provider of insurance? Well, one plan to look at is a health savings account that can work with your insurance policy. This kind of plan will be a special form of savings account that will be used to help you cover any medical bills you incur. This uses your well-earned income to your benefit. Just make sure the plan you choose for your medical health insurance follows the IRS rules so it can be utilized with an HSA. So you will need to have the insurance provider direct you in the right course using the HSA and demonstrate the way it helps you cover the healthcare costs you may incur. What's the big advantage of a medical health insurance policy that employs a health savings account? There are actually two core benefits to this for part of a complete financial plan for you. The first one is how low the premiums are compared to traditional health insurance. It also can grow more assets along the way in a manner which is tax sheltered. The HSA form of the medical health insurance plan has higher deductibles. However, with insurance, the higher the deductible the policy has, the lower the premiums have to be paid for it. Yet the problem with finding medical health insurance with decreased premiums is the amount of the deductible you must cover before the insurance begins picking up the costs you incur for you. This deductible is enough often to scare people off from these kind of insurance plans. You need to keep in mind that as you accumulate your savings, that is your HSA, the balance will be what will make it easier to pay the deductibles as you need to, letting you have the reduced premiums month to month which you want. You are going to be able to afford the higher deductibles and never have to fret about it. So find one of those insurance policies through an insurance agent. The HSA sort of medical health insurance policy allows you to save money for the deductible in the savings account that's part of your plan. But you don't have to use this money. It can just stay in your HSA and accumulate interest, and with it being insurance, the interest isn't taxable until you withdraw all the cash from it, as the money in the savings will be there for you to pay any deductibles you need to because of specific regulations that apply. Any money you don't make use of by age 65 you can use the same way as the standard IRA. First, you'll want to locate a reputable insurance provider to get the best form of HSA health insurance policy to fit your healthcare requirements and also your future needs in retirement.